everybody? Welcome back to Right Foot Down. It's Daniel Webster. Appreciate you guys checking in on our third video. So the first two, if you're following the page, was walking through a big super late model race where I get to play driver, prepping the car, getting it wrapped and everything, and then the in-car, so you get to see kind of the point of view from the driver's seat. This week, so my life's always different week to week in racing. We're back on the crew chief side of things. So first up, I've got my pro truck here. It's driven by a young up-and-coming driver named Matthew Laprade out of New Smyrna Beach. We were actually on a 2-race win streak at Smyrna Speedway with this thing, and he also has been racing up Pensacola, Mobile for a couple different teams up there. Tomorrow, we're heading over to New Smyrna Speedway, where he gets to make laps at his home track for the first time. Pretty excited to go stretch the legs of this thing a little bit, get some big track time on it. And once we get the truck loaded up, head back home, get bag packed, and then heading to Anderson, South Carolina to crew chief the Cars Tour Pro race for Tim Sozio with his number 16 Tim Sozio racing machine. That car stays with me. I maintain and do all the setup and everything. And we'll haul butt up there and go see what we could do at a new track that neither one of us have seen yet. So we'll take you guys along for the ride, see how we do. Kid's good. It's really first time out. It was faster than the fastest truck went last time here. I had on some old ass tires. I didn't think that thing would be even, decent, but that was impressive. So, all right, loaded up, heading back across the state. Get out of here. Go shower and pack and get ready to head to South Carolina in the morning. Next.